really daring to eat. This is what they were afraid of. The Amur tiger. He's returned to last night's kill. These may be the first and the last pictures of this animal on the Pacific coast. The vultures are waiting. Actually, he's had enough, but he will never share with vultures or crows. But even this magnificent creature can't be sure the next hunt will be successful. So he eats all he can. He knows that as soon as he leaves, the scavengers will strip the bones. Looks like he's had enough. No, not the crows. That's too much. But he's not hungry anymore. The problems of an apex predator.